Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about creating Django based web application. Already I have told it on your practical base. That means मैंने आपको सिस्टम पे करके दिखाया है कैसे क्या करना है. But now we are going to see about this step by step. First of all, Django is a web framework. That means what is Django? Then the question is what is Django? Then Django is a web framework. Django is a web framework. And what is the web framework? Web framework, a software tool that provides an environment to build, develop, and run the website and web-based applications. That means you can say that Django is a web frame or a tool, software tool that provides an environment to build and develop the website and web-based applications. Now, why should we use Django? Because Django is secure, versatile, portable, and easy to maintain, and many more features like Django supports several pre-installed packages that is used to develop the web-based project. Now, if we are going to talking about the security, that means Django offers pre-written codes that provides your website security and protection, and we will see it in our practical class. Versatile, that means Django can be used to design any type of website like e-commerce, like news website, or any other social networking website, or any other website. Versatile, that means used in many where, बहुत से एक से अधिक फील्ड में किसी भी चीज़ का यूज कर पाते हैं तो हम वर्सेटाइल बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर पोर्टेबल. दैट मीन्स Django can be used for the different type of platform like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or any other platform. You can run anywhere your Django website. Now, next one is your easy to maintain, because the Django code is easy to maintain or reuse or update the code. It's not going to harder for the developer. So these are the features of Django. Now, installation of Django. How to install the Django? I have already explained in our practical classes, but see it in your step by step in 3 classes. First of all, you have to install Python. जो भी आपका पाइथन का लेटेस्ट वर्जन हो, सपोज दैट इस टाइम पे क्या है आपका पाइथन 3.8.5, जो भी लेटेस्ट वर्जन है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल पाइथन. देन ओपन योर कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, दैट इज cmd prompt or PowerShell in administrator mode. How to run this in administrator mode? Type cmd in your search box, and then on the cmd icon right click and click on the option of run as administrator. Then your command will be opened in your administrator mode. Now you move to drive or folder where you want to create a project. Suppose that by default you are going to in C drive, because the command prompt will by default show the drive in that drive where operating system is installed. Then by default it is C drive. Then you can switch it in your drive. Suppose that if you are going to move in E drive, then type E colon and press enter. Then if you want to move any other folder, then you can type cd and folder name. Suppose that in example we have written cd my website. This is the folder name. We are going to make the website or project in this folder. That is my website folder name hai. This is your folder name. Now in our fourth step, type the command pip install virtual env. This is the short form of virtual environment, virtual env. Now we are going to install virtual environment. In our next classes we will talk about the virtual environment. Yeah, you can say that virtual environment have been installed. It will downloaded and install the virtual environment in your system. Why should we install virtual environment? Because if we are going to run several projects, that means if we are going to work with more than one project in Django, then virtual environment provide isolated framework environment to your develop to any your website. That means there is no collapse between the your web project or websites if you are working with more than one website. Now in your fifth step, you have to activate your virtual environment after downloading. Then type the command virtual env, that means vnv script slash active. Now press enter and your virtual environment will be activated. Now in sixth step, you have to install Django by using command pip install Django. Now if your Django is successfully installed, अगर आपका यहाँ पे Django सक्सेसफुली इंस्टॉल हो गया है, then this message will be displayed. Now you can see that there is screenshot of the image. Here you can see that first of all we have installed your virtual environment, then we have moved to your project folder and activate the virtual environment. Then we have given the command Django installation, and you can see that here message is successfully installed Django, and this is the Django version have been displayed. Now creating website. Now after installation of Django, we are going to create project or website. Now in 7 step, now in active virtual environment, type command to create website. Now we have to type the command Django -admin start project my web pro. This is our project name. No need to write this, only write the project name. Django -admin start project my web. Now in 8th step, now move to your project folder. Now we have to come, when we have start project given this command, then a separate folder in our drive. Suppose that we have created the project in E drive and in website folder. Then there in the your website folder, there is the another folder name web pro will be created. Web pro will be created. Now we have to move to your web pro folder. Now we have to move by using cd command, cd my web pro. Now when we are enter in our project folder, type the command to run server. Now we have to give the command python manage.py run server. Manage.py run server is used to start your server. Now you will get IP address or URL. Now copy that and paste it to your browser and run the browser. अब यहाँ पे जो IP address रिटर्न होगा यहाँ पे हमारा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you can see that we have moved to our cd test project. Here we have moved to our web pro. We have taken the folder name web pro. Now when we have run python manage.py run server, then we have installed your, see here we have written your IP address. You can see that this is the your IP address http 127.0.0.1, and this is your local host address, port address 8000. Now you have copied this address and type it on your browser and click on search box, search button या run करेंगे जब भी रखें, then this web page will be shown. If the install works successfully, congratulations, this is your by default first page of your web project. Now doing this, you have successfully created a project in Django. Now we are going to see about the creation and designing of the project in our next class. And to run the server, while we have start the server by using python manage.py run server, to stop the server, we have to press Ctrl plus C. We have to press Ctrl plus C Now we can stop the server. So I hope you have understand about the Django framework. Now thank you for watching today.